Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Mini Cooper. So any screen, we'll go over here, go to nav, click on nav, and there we go. We've got the menu at the left hand side. That's not showing a whole lot at the moment. So if I click the eye control over to the left, see there, guidance, spoken instructions, routes. If I click it again, you've got the next menu, and we want destination input. So we turn the rotary control to destination input, click on that. It's highlighted on United Kingdom at the moment. Turn down to postcode, click on postcode, and then here we go. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now we need numbers. So here we go. We turn down here and it says further characters. Click on further characters and we've got numbers. PR5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters. EA, that's us, PR54EA, and then there's OK at the bottom, so you just click the rotary control, that's it. Now all we do is turn down, highlight start guidance and click on start guidance.
Please follow the road for 1 mile.
That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.